Speaking of power gain, Don asks, how much, if any, power gain to a reverse mount setup on a 604?
I have not seen any gains. What I've seen a lot of, well, not what I've seen a lot of, but what I know is it's way more convenient.
Well, and actually, I haven't published this video yet, but I did talk to CJ Jones from Jones Racing Products, and we shot a video when we were at the trade show.
Yep.
And I'll have that coming out at some point. But that was a point that we talked about, because one of the most popular systems I sell is the reverse mount power steering, which is the 2004-PS kit from Jones Racing Products, and which I'm out of right now, and they're on back order. But what we talked about is that it's not any significant gain.
No.
It's more about the convenience and just getting that stuff where it's more accessible and off instead of having the front be so crowded is one piece of it. And then when you look at cost, the cost is virtually the same, whether you were to go with a full boat on the front of your engine, or if you split it up and go cranked water pump on the front and the power steering on the back.
The main thing I like about it on dirt is the fact that it's virtually impossible to knock that belt off.
Oh.
Whereas, I mean, you can get a chunk of mud, you can get a rock, you can get anything on the front and knock a belt off, and then you're screwed.
Yeah.
So, I mean, to me, like having the belts in the bell housing and completely protected, honestly, from everything.
And that is an incredible point. Haven't heard that one before.
To me, it's priceless. Yeah, I mean, I remember back in the day when we had to run shit off the front of the motor. I mean, I've lost races because of that.
Yeah.
I mean, back when we were running fuel pumps off the front, belt-driven pumps, I've lost races because the pump belt got knocked off. So.
Really great point there, Steve.